Hey guys, Jeff here. Welcome back to another episode. Today, we're doing macaroni and cheese pizza style with mushroom, pepperoni, and sausage on our cowboy grill. Alright guys, so our grill's got up to temperature here. And we're going to take our sausage. We're going to start out by browning this sausage. Adding the pepperoni. The mushroom. Now this is the base to our pizza, the mushroom, pepperoni, and sausage pizza. Now we're going to let that simmer a little bit. Guys, so we're back out at the grill here. Our sausage and pepperoni and mushroom mixture has been cooking for a little while. And it looks like it's just about ready for the next phase. So we'll set our lid to the side. This is the part, I don't know how this is going to go. But we'll find out, won't we? This is a dish that's all supposed to be made inside on the stove. So we'll find out what's going to happen. Don't know. So what it's calling for now is our heavy cream. And I will put this recipe down below, so if you want to try it in your kitchen and see how it comes out, you certainly can. So that's our heavy cream. Now it's calling for Gruyere cheese, and I don't know how to pronounce it, but maybe I did. Gruyere cheese, something like that. We'll see. So put our cheese in. Oh, all right. I guess it all wanted to come out at the same time. Now, we're going to put a hodgepodge of cheese in there that I had in the house. We're going to put some cheddar and some cheddar jack. This is the cheese part of our dish, obviously. So, now we'll mix that all together. Let's see how that does. Alright, so now it's calling for some crushed tomato. Some sun-dried tomato. Put some of that in there. Put it all in there, why not? What do we have to lose? Mix this guy up. Oh boy, that does look good. Now a whole bunch of seasoning. Alright. Alright, that's pretty good. Now, the one thing I did cheat on is the macaroni. You couldn't dump macaroni in here into one pot. Didn't know how it would mix with the cheese. So I did cook that on the stove inside. So we'll dump our macaroni in. And we'll mix that all up. Oh, does that look good? I hope it's as good as it looks. So perfect. We'll cover that up. Let it simmer. Alright guys, so I went outside and I brought the macaroni and cheese inside. Oh my god. This is going to be to die for. This is, you can see the pepperoni. Who wants to come over and clean up this pan after? Because this is going to be a mess, but that's alright. Because this is going to be crazy good. Wow. Unbelievable. You know what that means? What we have to do next. One of my favorite parts of all of our cooks. We're going to get a piece of pepperoni, piece of mushroom, piece of sausage, and some of this pasta. We've got the trifecta. Trifecta is three. What would four be? Quadrifecta going on. Whatever that word would be. Anyway, this looks unbelievable. Wow, is that hot? Of course it is. It's boiling in this pot. Unbelievable. That flavor's crazy. If you like what you see, guys, click that like button down below. Subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so you can see what we're cooking next. I don't know if anything can top this.